Yeah, dude.
Oh my gosh, that's beautiful.
Oh, you do have that. Man, it's windy. Don't be like Soto, mode 4.
Yeah, I got you.
You didn't say it, then I had it on video, bro.
Oh, that 2JZ sounds good.
Alright, we're good.
Alright.
Alright, we are on our way back. It's been fun. Spent the last few hours getting tatted up. Good times with the crew. Hope you guys enjoy that. I think I got different shots, different stuff, and hopefully I can bring something entertaining for you guys. I had a lot of fun doing that. Actually, where I got my tattoo, it wasn't as painful as maybe one could imagine, but that's pretty simple. And I didn't really get any big piece. The backstory behind mine, if you care about it, I drew that back in high school, and just about time, years later, got it down on my leg here. That was the final spot for it. So on to the next one. I think I want some checker racing flags next. Huge racing fan here, so that'll be fun to do. I gotta say, I'm definitely loving the weather today, and fall looks like it's coming in already here where I live. The weather right now is 73 Fahrenheit, so man, nice cool breeze, loving it. Hey, no hands! Steal your necks! Hey, no hand crew! Yeah.
Did we do this last time? What?
Yeah, we did. Yeah. Yeah, dude. We went over the water. The water was there. Traffic up ahead. Hey, is that an e-bike?
Yes.
Oh man, same here. I like it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Converted a track to an e-bike.
Oh, dude, that's cool.
I'm gonna ride to Oregon next year.
Are you? With this?
Yep.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, have fun.
Take care.
Yes, sir, you too. Oh, that's awesome. He converted that track into an e-bike. Dude, that's so cool. That's so cool. You see that?
Was it e-bike?
Yeah. Dude, he converted that into an e-bike.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, that's so cool.
Oh, you guys want to get a flyby if you guys want to over here?
Yeah, dude. Hell yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead of you guys. Yeah, that's what Brian was telling me.
Dude, he says he's going to Oregon with the bike next year. He's
Really?
like, he's riding the bike.
Oh my god.
Dude.
That's a far ride.
Yeah, dude. That's pretty cool though. Badass.
He's older, he'll have time.
Yeah. That's all he has, time. Yeah, that's what he said. Yeah, he said he's riding the bike to Oregon.
That's great.
Bro, imagine. Maybe, yeah, maybe. I mean, people do have their own little solar panels for that they can charge the battery. It'll take a while, but they can camp.
Yeah, that's true.
You know? That's cool though, super cool. That's the kind of stuff you find out here, man. This is cool. That was my first interaction with someone else besides us riding an e-bike here in town, and super cool. I love it. Keeping people young, e-bikes, the future is here. I really enjoy this trail riding. It's probably one of my first few times riding during the day though, so different, love it. And fall weather is coming, so it's gonna be nice, man. Hey. Dude.
Yeah, you know.
I think she was riding an e-bike as well. Yeah, dang. Okay. All right. Springfield's getting more e-bikes. I love it. It's nice though.
Yeah, it's not
nice.
bad other than the season, you know?
Yeah, I hear you. There he goes, and there she goes. And here I go. Man, I gotta tell you, this is when the R comes so handy with that suspension. So smooth. Whew.
That's because that one picks up with you. Yeah. Oh, Lord.
What the hell?
Hit the curve.
Yeah.
They were probably looking at it. I bet you she was looking. Hit it, guys.
Go, go.
Street riding. Here we go. It's windy out here. Wow. I can feel that. That's good though. Racing there. These guys have been racing the whole way. On the way there, on the way back. Love it, man. This is so fun. And I tell you, we got to do more of these group rides. These are fun. These guys are fun. I love it.
Wait there for a second, man.
I saw that.
And then I look back, feels like.
Man, we're looking like NASCAR. They're 3 wide on the turn.
I'm
On the
racing
straight.
the next street. Pickwick, is that what that is?
Yep.
I'm racing you to there.
All right, come on.
That was good. Man, I try to keep up, but I don't know.
Well, you weren't ready?
I guess so. I don't know. You guys did good though.
You gotta jump on it.
Oh, look at that brake pad. Look at that brake pad.
Where?
Right there.
Oh my god.
Oh man, I hope I can get this on camera. Hey, somebody left their brake pad on the ground. Man.
Okay, man. I'm racing you on the green to the 35. No throttle. That's what I did last time.
Now I say library sign.
35. If we go to the library sign, that's too far. You're gonna beat me.
Okay, yeah,
But your
yeah.
top speed's too fast.
Yeah, get the power. You gotta line up though.
Okay.
Alright, these guys are about to race. Alright, this is how you have fun on your e-bikes. You guys ready?
Sports mode.
Uh-oh.
Mode 4, Theo. Mode 4. Alright.
On the green.
Almost. These guys are getting ready and I'm gonna try to go with them.
Green light.
Alright, we are racing to the 35 sign over there. See who can make it faster.
The other green
Only
light.
pedaling.
Only pedaling, alright. I was ready for that one. Oh, fun. What'd you say?
I got stuck going up the hill.
Oh, shit. Alright guys, hey man, I think we're leaving the video here.
Hey!
Signing out.
Yeah.
Alright guys, it's been fun. Hope you guys enjoy this one. When I put it out, yeah, we'll plan another one. Fun, man. You guys stay safe out there. And we will check you out on the next video. Until next time, peace.